What's up, everybody? It's your boy, George. Today, we're diving deep into Filipino wedding traditions. We've got 13 unique customs that'll make you say I do to learning more about this awesome culture. Let's go! First up, we've got pamamanhikan. The groom's family visits the bride's family to formally ask for her hand in marriage. It's a whole thing. They're there to show they're serious about this marriage. The bride's family ensures the groom is the real deal. It's a sign of respect and a great opportunity for the families to bond. Plus, it's a chance to get to know each other before the big day. Next up, Despedida de Soltera. It's a chance for the bride to say goodbye to her single life, surrounded by her besties. Delicious food, flowing drinks, music and laughter. It's a time for the bride to let loose and soak in all the love. Filipino parties are legendary, and this is no exception. If you snag an invite, clear your schedule and get ready to party. Baisanan is an event can last for a couple of days or less than a week. It includes the following events: Pasibak ang Kahoy, Sumanan, Palirungan, at Bisperas. It's all about sharing the joy of the upcoming wedding with loved ones. All right, guys, it's time for the main event. The moment we've all been waiting for. Pagsusumpan, the exchange of vows. This is where the magic truly happens. Filipino weddings are known for being super romantic, and the vows definitely don't disappoint. The couple stands before their loved ones, sharing their deepest feelings and promises. Heartfelt promises, declarations of love, and maybe even a few happy tears. It's a moment filled with raw emotion and genuine affection. It's not just about the words, it's the emotion behind them. Every word spoken carries the weight of their journey together, their dreams and their future. The way the couple looks into each other's eyes, it's like the rest of the world melts away. In that moment, it's just the two of them, bound by love and commitment. Filipino weddings are all about family, and the parents are out there, probably wiping away a tear or two. The support and love from family members make the occasion even more special. The venue is beautifully decorated, reflecting the couple's unique style and the rich cultural heritage of the Philippines. Guests are all smiles, sharing in the joy of the newlyweds. Traditional Filipino wedding attire adds a touch of elegance and history to the ceremony. The bride's dress and the groom's barong tagalog are often adorned with intricate details that tell a story of their own. Various traditional rituals are performed, each symbolizing different aspects of marriage. From lighting the unity candle to tying the knot, these customs add depth and meaning to the celebration. And then, the moment everyone waits for, the first kiss as a married couple. The guests erupt in cheers and confetti fills the air, marking the beginning of their new life together. The celebration continues with a lively reception where the couple and their guests dance the night away. It's a time of joy, laughter, and making unforgettable memories. The wedding cake is another highlight, often beautifully decorated and delicious. The couple cuts the cake together, symbolizing their shared future and the sweetness of their union. As the night comes to an end, the couple leaves the venue, surrounded by the love and well-wishes of their family and friends. It's a beautiful conclusion to a perfect day. The ceremony is not over yet. It's time for the arras. The groom takes 13 coins and hands them to the bride. These coins symbolize the groom's commitment to providing for his new wife and their future family. The bride accepts them, signifying her willingness to share in the responsibilities. The number 13 represents Jesus and his 12 apostles, incorporating their faith into the wedding ceremony. Get ready for the veil and cord ceremony. Two sponsors step forward with a veil and a cord. The veil is draped over the couple's shoulders, symbolizing unity, love, and protection. The cord is looped around their necks in the shape of an infinity symbol. It symbolizes their commitment to facing life's adventures together. We're talking about the unity candle, a symbol of two flames merging into one. Two separate candles, representing the bride and groom, are lit by their mothers. The bride and groom take their individual candles and together light a single larger candle. This unity candle represents their new life together. It's a visual representation of their commitment to nurturing their love. Get ready for the money dance. The newly married couple starts swaying to the beat. Guests line up, eager to share in the joy and shower the couple with cash. During the money dance, guests pin money onto the bride and groom's clothing. It's a fun, interactive way to wish them prosperity and good fortune. It's a way for guests to show their love, support and excitement for the couple's future. We're talking about the Dove's Release, a tradition about peace, harmony and love. The newly married couple steps outside, ready for their grand finale. They're each holding a beautiful white dove. With a gentle toss, they release the doves into the air. It's a powerful symbol of the couple's commitment to building a peaceful and harmonious life together. It's time for the bouquet toss. It is a tradition that symbolizes good luck, fertility, and the blossoming of a couple's new life together. The bride tosses her bouquet over her shoulder into a group of single women. The tradition originated in the 14th century, when the bouquet was seen as a symbol of good luck. The woman who catches the bouquet is believed to be the next to marry. The bouquet toss is usually a highlight of the reception and can get competitive. The wedding's over, but the celebrations don't stop there. In Filipino culture, the end of the wedding ceremony marks the beginning of a series of beautiful traditions that help to strengthen the bonds of love and family. One of the most important post-wedding traditions is pagmamano. This practice is deeply rooted in Filipino culture and is a heartfelt gesture of respect and reverence. The newly married couple shows their reverence to their elders by taking their hand and pressing it to their forehead. This simple yet profound gesture signifies their gratitude and respect for the wisdom and guidance of the older generation. It's a way of asking for blessings and guidance. The elders, in turn, offer their heartfelt blessings, wishing the couple a prosperous and harmonious life together. This exchange is a beautiful reminder of the importance of family and tradition. The newlyweds make the rounds, visiting relatives and friends, sharing stories from the wedding. These visits are not just about recounting the events of the day, but also about reinforcing the bonds of kinship and community. It's all about keeping that love and connection alive long after the wedding day is over. These gatherings serve as a reminder that marriage is not just the union of two individuals, but the coming together of two families, creating a larger, more connected community. So there you have it, guys. We've taken a deep dive into the vibrant and heartwarming world of Filipino weddings. From the pre-wedding rituals to the grand celebrations, each tradition is steeped in rich culture and history. From the heartfelt ceremonies to the wild receptions, there's something uniquely magical about these weddings. The way they blend solemnity with joy, tradition with modernity, is truly captivating. Filipino weddings are a celebration of love, family, and tradition. The sense of community and togetherness is palpable, making every moment unforgettable. Whether it's the symbolic rituals or the lively dances, each element adds a special touch to the occasion. Thanks for coming on this journey with me. I hope you enjoyed learning about these beautiful traditions as much as I did. It's always fascinating to see how different cultures celebrate love and unity.